you really want to know how to stop this particular tracking of your activity from web or from app, sending it to Facebook, you want to stop it, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to stop websites and apps from sending or tracking your activity to Facebook in order to maintain your privacy. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook app. Next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to settings and privacy. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to click on account center. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down until you get to your information and permissions. So click on that. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on your activity of Meta Technologies. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, your recently activity. Click on that. So it's going to take you right here. In some cases, if you click on your recent activity, you'll be asked to log in with your username and your password. Just log into your username and your password and you'll be taken right here. Here, you have all the recent activities of the app or website you have been using or you have been visiting so far, and all the tracking record will be sent into your Facebook account right here, just like what you see right here. So what you need to do right here is to review and remove as many as possible apps that are actually tracking your activity into the Facebook right here. Like for instance, I want to remove this particular app right here. So what we want to do is to click on the app. So when you click on the app, it's going to give you an information like this. So here, what you need to do is to simply click on discontinue right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on confirm. It's as simple as that. You can remove as many as possible app or website that you no longer trust right here. If I want to remove this particular app right here, I'm going to simply click on it and it's going to take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on disconnect right here and I'll click on confirm. It's as simple as that. So with that, whenever I visit those websites or apps, my activity with the site or with the app will not be sent to Facebook account. It's that simple. For more tutorial about privacy and activities like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.